Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you how to make an Aqua Lens out of a piece of plastic wrap and a water supply. It just so happens this water supply is already a great solar igniter. Let me show you. I want to use up this hard char cloth. Oh, and always wear your shades when doing solar experiments. If you don't have them like me, then you'll just have to keep looking away every 15 or 20 seconds. You get any old piece of saran wrap, open it up. You're going to collect 3 sides of this square underneath your thumb and forefinger because you're trying to make a pouch. I've shown this technique many times on my channel. Do check out my solar ignitions playlist. And people think these techniques are harder than what they are, but they are very simple. If they weren't simple, I wouldn't be able to do them. All right, which leaves me one side that is not gathered up, and we'll fill that up with water. Gonna need some support. Straighten it out a little bit and put some more water in it. Now we'll gather this up, try to expel as much air out of the top of this Aqua Lens as possible, and start twisting it up. And of course, if you twist it too much, then you're gonna end up popping this thing. So best thing to do is to twist it until it's tight like that, and just give it a chance to get used to that tension. Then when you get ready to ignite some char cloth, or you could ignite these pine needles if you had enough patience, and you would definitely need some sunglasses for that. Now let me dry my hands off. And I still ended up with a little air bubble in there. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it. But a little bit of air would be all right. Now, you want to make sure that one round, smooth side that doesn't have wrinkles in it lines up with another round, smooth side on the other side. So, I wanted to do this. I'll do it in opposite hands. So, here's a good smooth side, and there is a smooth side here. That should be great. Let's just see. And my char cloth is falling apart. Just set that down. You'll see it again. That wasn't exactly like a smooth operation. Oh, there's a good hot spot right there. Oh, that's plenty hot enough to ignite it. It doesn't take long if you get the right focal point. Alright, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. And this Aqua Lens will hold its shape once you get it twisted and pinched off like that. We'll catch you on the next one.